What's up, guys? It's Mr. DS18 back with more videos. This time it's the 6 Pro 360 NSL Neodymium magnet, slim 6.5 inch, 360 watts max power. Check this baby out. Let's see. Before we go into details, check the speaker out. We got the paper cone, cloth dust cap, cloth surround, nice edged foam right here. Then you got this square type in an aluminum basket style. Check out the aluminum basket. Nice push terminals. 1.78 inch voice coil, 180 watts RMS, 360 watts max power. Frequency response starts from the 100 hertz all the way to the 10 kilohertz. It has a 103 dB on this bad boy. Now, what makes this speaker so special? Why squared? Why does it have this shape? It's easier to line them up. If you want to add, instead of adding 3 in a box, you may be able to add 4 just because they're tightly one next to each other. Now, we obviously designed this speaker with one main purpose, to use it as an LA or a line array setup. Make it go crazy loud with a horn setup. I don't have it built how it's supposed to be, but I'm improvising so you guys can check it out. I have one here set up, regular firing forward, and then I have one here up with the horn. Obviously the horn is not in its cube box where it's supposed to be, but you can probably tell the difference on your end. So we're going to start off the test with this one, and then we're going to switch up to this one at a low volume so you guys can see if you can tell the difference on your side. So here we go. Let's start off with this one.
I'm gonna
switch up to this one. Now, I don't know if you guys can tell on your side, but here you can hear that this is a full range speaker firing forward, and here becomes more like a horn, this style. So it becomes, the whole sound goes projected towards you. We're gonna give it a little bit more volume now. We're gonna go pretty much half volume, right? And we're gonna start off again with this one. I don't know if you guys can tell it on your end, but over here it sounds crazy loud, horn firing straight directional. This is all full range, sounds both loud and clear. Same amp, same power. What changes is just the horn style versus the regular style. One last test. We're gonna give it one more shot of music. And we're gonna start off this time with the horn. And there you guys have it, the 6 Pro 360 NSL. Make sure you guys check it out. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.